Hello everybody, bro, Matic here. Welcome back to another video. And today, I got a big ass video. I'm trying every single Prime product. I've tried them all separately on my channel. I've done some shorts and done some non-shorts. Put that down so it doesn't clang. Some of them I just felt like didn't need a full video. But I've tried all of these, and I'm pretty sure I posted my reaction to them on the channel. So if you want my separate review on them when the first time I tried them, then find it on YouTube. I might put the links, I might not. This is all 8 flavors of hydration, all 4 hydration sticks, all 5 energy drinks. I'm going to be tier listing all of these from my favorite to least favorite. I'll do it in categories, and then, you know, I'll put them all together. But I'm not just tier listing them. Wouldn't be a Bromatic video without doing something stupid. So, I got this big old fucking glass milk jug, and I've got a cup, measuring cup. So I'm going to put each one of these flavors into this big old thing, and at the end I'm going to drink it. So we're going to see how that is. So I think I'm going to start with my least favorite first, which is the line of sticks. This is my most recent one I've tried. I think this is the Ice Pop stick formula. Ah, dude, I've come around to liking this one. It's pretty strong in the beginning. It's pretty similar to the regular hydration Ice Pop, which I haven't had in a while, but I remember it being pretty similar. We got then the blue raspberry stick, which these are all like fucking strong. I would recommend putting more water than it recommends, but I put the recommended water. This tastes nothing like blue raspberry. It's still good. Don't get me wrong. But I think it stands here. I'm going to move these around judging off what I actually like in the category. This is first, second, and we're going to try lemon lime. Which, spoiler alert, this is probably going to be the bottom of the list. Oh, fuck. Fuck no, dude. I am definitely doing that right there already. Off the rip. Shit's nasty. I don't know how you drink stuff like that. If you do, if you like that flavor of Gatorade, you're fucking weird. It tastes like deer piss. Don't ask me how I know that. Next is, I think, my favorite, because it's the closest to the actual flavor. It is the Tropical Punch Prime Stick. It just tastes good. It doesn't smack you in the nuts with flavor, but it's good. So I'm dethroning the Ice Pop. Moving these down. Boom! That is the sticks ranked. I think I'm going to do energy drinks next. It is a school night. I've already had one of these today. Fuck it. Orange Mango Prime. Crack it open. Orange Mango fucking Prime Energy. Bottoms up. Carbonated, so I kind of have to get used to it. Solid. Solid, for sure, Ah, fuck it. I'm gonna have to bust this out early. I got some crackers to help cleanse my palate, because I'm a cracker who loves crackers. Can I say that on YouTube? Alright. Try the next one. Lemon Lime Prime Energy, baby! Again, least favorite of the energy drinks, probably. I mean, it's not bad. It tastes like just Sprite, basically. Next, we got Tropical Punch Prime. One of my favorites of the regular. And I think, if I remember correctly, one of my favorites of the Prime Energy. So, crack that baby open. Bottoms up. That's good, man. I might have to just do this real quick. I'm gonna change. Let's see. It may just be recency biased. Fuck it. If it pisses you off, kill yourself. I'm Blue Raspberry Prime Energy. Right. And I guess technically when I reviewed this one, I did sip it after, but I chugged that, so, you know, fucking Blue Raspberry Prime Energy. This is good, man. Right there at the top. For sure. I don't even have to go try that shit. Last but not least for the energy category. Prime Energy Strawberry Watermelon. Okay, baby. This is the one I had today. God, that's good. You know what? Yeah. Boom. Boom, baby. That is the order of Prime Energy. Right there, baby. There's an upset. Little upset, man. I usually love the Tropical Punch flavor. But these two new flavors bring the A game. And, you know, crazier shit's happened. So, we're going to get into the final round, which is the largest category. And I would probably say my favorite category is the regular hydration. And there's double of this stick, so this might take a second, but we got this. I'm going to do this in batches of 4. I'm going to try these 4 and then these 4. And I didn't put them in any certain order, so it doesn't matter. One thing I'd like to say is a lot of stuff about Prime has changed since I've started drinking it. This packet for the green, which is like the most recent packet I bought, is so fucking weird. It's like a completely different material. The bottles have changed. Any of these old bottles? Yeah. This bottle, as you can see, is like this. And then this one's like this, where the bumps are like there. I mean, it's a really fucking small change, so nobody probably notices, but I have all the first of each flavor I've tried up there, so I mean I can tell when it's different. And Metamoon used to be pink. It is white now. I don't understand that, but cool. Anyway, I'm gonna shut the fuck up and do what I came here to do. I'm gonna try the most recent one, which is Strawberry Watermelon Hydration. Not to be confused with the energy. Bottoms up. That's good. That's good. Boom. At the front. Well, I guess by default, so fuck it. Next. Lemon Lime Prime. Worst flavor of hydration, in my opinion. Because I fucking hate lemon lime flavored shit. I mean, it's not bad. It's way, way, way better than that shit. I don't know about this. I'll have to try all of these in a row to see which one I like. But this one is worse than pink, for sure. Pink and green. Red. Tropical Punch. That's so good. That's so fucking good, dude. Alright. Boom. Get the fuck out of here, Pink. Ice Pop. Prime. Have not tried this one in a while, so my tastes or likes for it may have changed. We will see. Pop this open. Down the hatch. That's good. No. Let's see. Not that. Fuck. That's actually kind of hard. I'm gonna say this. Boom. First round of hydration done. Alright, bring on the next 4 here. These 2 right here are my favorites, I think. I may have forgotten, but these 2 are my favorites. I'm gonna try these 2 last. I'm gonna go for the grape. Which, brother, I had to fucking hunt this thing down. This used to be at GNC all the fucking time, but the one time I actually won it, they don't have it, and they had it at a vitamin shop. I'm not buying a whole case of this shit because I don't like it that much. And I went to my mall because it said the GNC there was open and they had it, but it was closed. I went to a Walmart because it said they had it. They didn't. So I drove like an hour yesterday to find it, and I finally found a gas station that sold it today. Thanks to my friend, Kennedy Covers. If you watch him on YouTube, you're a goat. So cool. Purple, or fucking grape. Syrup, lean. I mean, it's like... It's not bad. Again, it's not bad. It's kind of cough syrupy. Fuck. You know what? These are equally bad. I'm gonna put the green in front though, because that actually is like hydrated. Like when I drink that, I don't know, it feels better to drink, if that makes sense. Like I can't really have a whole bottle of this. It's kind of whack. Orange. This one tastes just like Sunny D, in my opinion. Man, that's good. Put it there. I like this better, I think. Yeah, I like it better. And then, this is the rough one. Blue raspberry, Metamoon. 2 fucking amazing flavors, if I do say so myself. Let's try blue. I fucking love this shit, dude. Man, that's good. That's tough, dude. Ah, fuck. I gotta move it down. Boom. There we go. Listing so far. Now let's try the Metamoon. Let's get it. so good. No question. No question. Top. Oh, fuck. Best tasting Prime. No question. No fucking question. Alright. Now, I gotta rank fucking everything. Dear God. We got hydration here. I'll do it like this, like staggered, I guess. Okay. Top, this is the best out of everything, for sure. Fuck, dude. That's so good. Oh my God, that's so good. You know what? No, never mind. I'm not crazy. I'm not fucking crazy. You know what? Fuck it. Boom. That's right now. Okay. These four. Pink energy. Goes below regular pink. Pink orange, or orange goes there, I believe. No, fuck it, there. Boom. I think like that. Then move these all the way the fuck down. Boom. 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 This is way more tolerable than this. And this. Right now, that's the ranking, not including sticks. Let's get the sticks. Formula. Gotta remember which one's blue and which one's ice pop. Red. Ugh, dude, that's so bad compared to the other ones. I'm not gonna lie. But, shit. Ugh, no, fuck no. That's better. That's better. It's better. It's just fucking better. You know what? Fuck it. Ice pop. Red. Red. Blue raspberry. And this one goes all the way the fuck over here, because it's a big fucking gap for me. So, basically, this is the order. I'm going to say right now, these are included in the ranking. The sticks are included in the rankings. Do not buy the sticks. They are not as good. Nowhere near these. This is the only one. The ice pop is the only one, and the red are the only ones I would get at all. They, I don't know, man. They could be here. They could be. But I'm going to say they're not. They could be, though. They're the only ones that could beat these flavors, I think, in my mind. This one's fine. The blue raspberry's fine. Not as good as these two. Lemon lime prime stick. If you get the shit, you are weird. Anyway, that is the ranking. I would say these are S tier. No, actually, A tier, S tier, B tier. B tier is like here. No, B tier. Fuck. I might have to rank this harshly. A tier. Okay, S tier, A tier, B tier, including these, C tier, and then D tier, and then, fuck. D tier can be all of these. D tier can be all of these, and then fucking F tier. So, I don't know if you got that. I may have put something on the screen. S tier, A tier, B tier. B tier? B tier. I don't fucking remember. Anyway, whatever I said, it's on the screen. I put it up, I think. So, enough of actually trying them and ranking them. They're going here. Let's fucking try to do this shit. I got, like, no time to do it. I'm supposed to be at the gym right now. Fucking Jesus. I'm gonna just put these in here. Oh, fuck. Oh, now I know why I needed a fucking funnel, damn it. We got the blue raspberry. And if I don't get them all equally measured out, it's not a problem. I don't really care. Ah, fuck. I'm spilling everywhere. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Bam. If you think I'm wasting this, I'm gonna drink the whole thing. Okay. Great. We got all of the hydration formula down. Q. Now let's add some carbonation to that shit. Tropical punch. Raspberry. Strawberry watermelon. And orange mango. Nice. That is all of them poured. Alrighty. Nice. Nice. Got all of the prime flavors combined in one. Down the hatch. Holy fuck. Oh. Holy shit. Okay. That was weird tasting. It tastes like, I don't know, it's weird. It tastes like the sticks. And the orange mango is very prevalent. And I think the strawberry watermelon. Well, that was pretty vile. Don't recommend combining these. Yeah, like and subscribe, baby. Or I'll fucking kill your whole family.